Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Manilin Gunina. I'm 34 years old. I'm solo parents. I have uh, two children, 10 and 11 years old. I'm high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give financial for my baby and for my family.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic
Yes,
helper?
Yes, I have. I'm working in Saudi Arabia and 6 years and 5 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
I'm duties, responsibility. I'm cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and washing dishes, and then ironing and marketing.
Aside, what are did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, I have. The age of baby is 5 months old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
A newborn born by bathing, feeding, changing diaper, and changing clothes.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I know how to cook Filipino food, and I will to learn how to cook Chinese food, and I know how to carry the feet and like a cat, dog, or bird.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Uh, um, I'm 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 necessary. I'm a necessary to domestic helper. I'm loyal, good person, and honest, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam, sir. Please choose me as your domestic helper because I'm loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. Thank you and hope to see you in Hong Kong.